While everyone fights over Austin and Phoenix, smart money just discovered 5 secret cities where $300,000 homes could hit $600,000 by 2027. Tesla's already there, and they're not alone. You see, I've spent 6 months digging into property data, and I'll show you 5 cities where early buyers are seeing 18% returns every year, all within 45 minutes of major cities that are bursting at the seam. Let's start with Kyle, Texas. Forget what you've heard about it being just another Austin suburb. While everyone's obsessing over Tesla's Gigafactory 12 miles north, Kyle just quietly approved 22,000 new homes along the tech corridor. But here's what most people miss. These homes aren't for Tesla workers. They're for the suppliers, the vendors, and the entire ecosystem that follows big tech. Here, check out these numbers. Population is up 23.7% since 2020. $99.6 million in water upgrades. And Target just dropped $2 million on their local store. You see, when big retailers upgrade in small towns, you gotta pay attention. They know something's coming. Supply chain shifts are forcing Tesla to find local suppliers faster than planned. Kyle could see thousands of new workers way ahead of schedule. Not in 2027, but soon. This isn't your typical trend following video, by the way. Remember Austin in 2019? Everyone said it was too expensive. Those same homes doubled in value. Well, I've found the next Austin. Actually, I found 5 of them. And wait until you hear about the 5th one. They're calling it a liquid gold opportunity. Now, before I reveal the next city, here's what matters. We're not just chasing cheap homes. No, we're following 3 key signs: infrastructure projects, corporate moves, and what I call the Silicon Valley spillover effect. When these 3 line up, property values just explode. So if Kyle's our sleeping giant, then Gallatin, Tennessee is our dark horse. While Nashville home prices shot up 40%, Gallatin's been busy building something bigger. A $500 million manufacturing hub with Beretta, bringing 300 plus skilled jobs. And here's why this matters right now. Construction workers are harder to find than ever. With 41% of Tennessee builders short on workers, the homes already built in Gallatin are worth even more. Simple supply and demand. And think about this, Nashville's healthcare workers are running from the city's crazy prices. Where are they going? Gallatin. It's just 30 minutes from Oracle's new $1 billion campus, a perfect storm of affordable homes and great jobs. But here's Gallatin's secret weapon. Short-term rental demand, it's up 88% from Nashville tourists. So let's do some quick math. You buy a 4-bedroom home for $400,000, you rent it out for just 3 days during CMA weekend, and boom, there's 3 months of mortgage payments taken care of. Then you've got the CMT Awards, Pride Festival, New Year's Eve, the Nashville Rock and Roll Marathon. Just those 5 Nashville weekends of rentals could cover your mortgage for the entire year. And the rest of the year, that would be pure profit. Let's talk about Buckeye, Arizona, Phoenix's $20 billion bet that most people are missing. At its heart, Terra Vallis, a massive 37,000 acre development that'll house 100,000 people. But that's just the start. Smart money's watching TSMC's Phoenix chip plant bringing 4,500 high-paying jobs. And here's the thing, construction costs and supply problems could push those $300,000 starter homes to $400,000 before they even break ground. If you want in, you gotta move fast. The best part though, Buckeye's just 35 minutes from a $20 billion data center hub. Tech companies aren't just moving here, they're building their future. And here's the game changer everyone's missing, the new I-11 highway. This isn't just another road, it's turning Buckeye into a crucial shipping hub between Vegas and Phoenix. Industrial land prices jumped 27% in just 3 months. Guess what's next? Yeah, home prices. We saw this same story in Austin and Nashville. History is about to repeat itself in Buckeye. Now for one of my favorites, Wendell, North Carolina. You see, while everyone fights over Chapel Hill and Durham, something big's happening here. Wake Tech's building a huge 100-acre robotics campus. And timing's perfect. New rules could open up thousands of acres around Wendell Falls that were off limits before. Early buyers could see instant profits if these changes go through. And there's a really good chance that they will. Here's what most people don't see though. 55% of Wendell Falls buyers are Duke and UNC researchers. They're not just buying houses, they're betting on the next research triangle. And they're paying 40% less than in Cary or Wake Forest. I've got one more city to show you, that liquid gold opportunity that I mentioned earlier. But first, let's get real. This isn't about quick flips or getting rich overnight. These are 18 to 24 month plays, minimum. I mean, smart money is moving in, but there's still time. These cities, they're not just riding coattails, they're building their own success stories. Think about it, every boom town started just like this. Better infrastructure, more jobs, close to exploding markets. The only difference, you're hearing about these chances before prices go crazy. And speaking of crazy, most people wait until markets like these explode before taking action. But what if you could lock in your first property in the next 45 days? And not just any property, one with $10,000 of instant equity at least, and $300 of monthly cash flow. Guaranteed. I've put together a blueprint that makes this possible at epicapprentice.com. But more on that after I show you this last city, the one that they're calling a liquid gold opportunity. And we'll put this in real terms. If you put $300,000 in Austin 5 years ago, you'd have $600,000 today. So these 5 cities, they're showing the exact same signs. Your window, 18 to 24 months until the big projects finish. So it's your choice. You can wait until everyone's talking about these cities and pay top dollar, or be the one they make videos about. Remember when homes were only $300,000? And now, that 5th city that I promised, the one they're calling a liquid gold opportunity. Little Elm, Texas is about to show you why. And here's what makes it special. 7 miles of Lake Louisville waterfront is getting a $150 million makeover. You see, while regular home prices did dip 2.8% last quarter, lakefront properties sold 41% faster. But watch this market shift. New lending rules could limit who can buy in DFW. With 23% of buyers affected, we might see a flood of cash offers and big investors fighting over prime waterfront spots. Timing is everything here. The DART Silver Line train opens in 2026, and 23 Fortune 500 companies are just 30 minutes away. Toyota and Charles Schwab's new offices aren't just bringing jobs, they're bringing buyers who want lakefront living without plain old prices. And one last thing, big investment firms are eyeing these exact areas. When billion-dollar funds become your competition, you want to be there first, not last. Remember, the best time to buy real estate was 20 years ago. The second best time, when you spot patterns like these before everyone else does. But here's the thing, spotting the patterns is only half the battle. You need a proven system to actually capitalize on them. That's exactly why I created the Epic Apprentice program. In just 45 days, we help you lock in your first off-market property using creative financing. Whether it's in these boom markets or anywhere else you want to invest, we're talking $10,000 in immediate equity and $300 of monthly cash flow. Guaranteed. And this isn't some theoretical course. No, we literally do the heavy lifting for you. Our AI-powered seller simulator, it helps you master negotiations before you're in front of real sellers. Our team contacts motivated sellers on your behalf. We analyze your deals to ensure that they meet our strict profit requirements. You get instant access to funding so deals don't slip away. And I personally mentor you until you succeed. Go to epicapprentice.com now, answer 5 quick questions, and I'll send you the complete blueprint for finding and closing these kinds of deals in any market. Remember, while everyone else is waiting for the perfect moment, smart investors are building their empires right now. The question is, which side of that equation do you want to be on? If you found value in this market breakdown, hit that subscribe button, because next week we're diving even deeper into how to spot these opportunities before the big money moves in. This is Matt. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.